Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the hardware. Make sure mounts and screws are snug so they are not the source. Once done, turn off in-camera stabilization to isolate mechanical from software motion. Then record a short test clip at 24 to 60 FPS so you can see vibration frequency and axis. As you do this, keep the environment consistent. Same tripod, surface, and lens, so the next steps diagnose the root cause rather than masking symptoms. Now focus on reducing mechanical sources of shake. Replace a flimsy tripod with a sturdier one, or add a 1.5 kg weight to the center column to lower resonance. Make sure the lens is fully locked into the mount and that zoom and focus rings are secured. Loose rings transmit vibration. Next, apply damping, small rubber pads under feet, sticky putty, or a purpose-built isolation mount, so vibrations from the surface are absorbed. Finally, address residual movement with software. Enable digital stabilization or run a warp stabilizer pass in your editor, but keep smoothing low to avoid warping. Make sure to crop only as much as necessary so your framing stays intact. Tweak rotation and position sliders to remove jitter without introducing wobble. If shake persists after software tuning, retest hardware, swap cables, mounts, or lenses, and keep a simple vibration log of test clips so you can pinpoint which change eliminated the motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.